you doing today?
Welcome to the channel, guys. So this is a video to inspire someone or to help someone on how to pack their products. In fact, these are the products I make myself, but if you're buying products to travel abroad, if you're moving abroad and you want more of the products you use in your local or your country, this is how you do it. Morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. The shipping company wasn't taking up my products. So basically, I figured it out. I had to decant. So I took some days to do this. Had to decant everything. I didn't film myself decanting because, in fact, it was very tiring. So I decanted everything into bottles. And then what I have figured out is just put them into a bag. And I also figured out how to handle the books because when you contact the shipping company, all they'll tell you is we'll come and pick them up. But we need people to come and work in the house. You get it? So this is what I've done. Madam here is helping me. So yes, this is what I've done to the products. So I have done for my skincare as well, my cleansers, my brightening creams and exfoliating hair growth oil, my creams. I'm making more of these creams very soon, the silky hair creams, and my conditioners, leave-in and all that. But with the exception of the liquids, because even with when you're shipping products with liquids, some companies do not take it or do not take them. So I don't want to risk my bags being returned to the UK. So with liquids, if I say liquids, this is what I'm talking about. The shower gels, these are body washes that have made. They aren't enough, but then they can keep us for about, let's say, 3 months. And the shampoos that I've got here, I don't need many shampoos because they keep long. That's it. So basically your liquids, and if you have oils, they can go with you on the plane, not on the plane, but in the hold. So these are going into our big bags and we are going with them. They won't go with the air freight, because they might be returned. So Isa is sharing with us what she's done. She's helped me.
Basically,
what have you done?
These are labels, and I've taped it with sellotape, so then it won't flying everywhere.
Okay, yeah.
It'll just be easier.
Easier, yes. So that's what we are doing. I'm going to put all these into the bag here, and what I'll do is I'll start with these ones without the lotion pumps. So this goes to the base of it. Oops. I'm so happy that I've been able to do this. It was very tiring. I took almost half a day filling the bottles and another half a day the next day sorting out vacuum packing this, and I think it's great. What's happening? Oh, your chest. Oh, you want
By the way, I put the plastic in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these ones. I did the vacuuming and you yeah. Oh, it's true. So you covered it with it. Yes. So she helped me. She wants me to mention that. We've sorted out how to, handle our books. If you have so many books, all you can do is put them in shopping bags, which is the reason why I put them in shopping bags is because they are very solid. So when the shipping company comes and picks it and puts them in a box, it'll be easier for them than it being, how do you use that word? It was spread. yeah, it was spread here, and I think it wouldn't have been nice. But we sorted them out. Self-help books, my books, wellness books, and all that. I mean, all those books, and we sorted out the products as well. So if you are buying many products, know how to pack them so they don't leak. And I've been posting products in vacuum packed. I mean, this way for so many years. Sorry, the camera is just moving. And see, today I woke up so much in a hurry to do. I didn't even wear earrings. So yeah, so pack them well so that it wouldn't leak. Because one thing that's very, very frustrating is you send in the products, you know you're going to use them. It gets there and they are leaking. You go like, oh my goodness, that's a mess. So yeah, you don't want that mess. So yeah, that's how we've done it. With liquids, most shipping companies do not take it because even the airlines do not take it. They don't accept liquids. It's happened to us before. We shipped products from Italy to UK and it was sent back. Meanwhile, we had come back to the UK. So we had to pay again for the shipping company to send the product, just taking out a tiny thing. So guys, yeah, that's it for you. So yeah, I'll end this vlog here and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. This lady, she's what, dancing. You see her hair? It's so pretty. I did African threading for her. It's very, very pretty. But she doesn't like leaving her hair down. See, she says she's doing nail polish or whatever. She doesn't like leaving it down. But it's very, very pretty. Okay, guys. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye from us.
Bye.
Stay safe, stay well. Bye.